How to set up AT&T account alerts. To set up AT&T account alerts, first of all, open the My AT&T application or visit the My AT&T web portal from any browser of your choice. Sign into your account by simply tapping on your profile icon or the account icon. Once you log in, once again, tap on that profile icon, then choose the Communication Preferences option. Click on Account Alerts to see the available options. You can set the customized alert settings such as billing alerts, data alerts, security alerts, as well as delivery methods, which is text messages or email notifications, or both. Once you save your preferences, you simply have to save the changes or click the Save Changes button at the bottom and verify any confirmation text or email AT&T sends immediately. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.